Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. Before I start, I highly recommend check out my new channel Engineerknow if you want to learn about more engineering things, how does it works. Now let's start. Click on insert components, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Try slot as per your requirement. Uh, let's like this. Give it a length as per your requirement. In my case 100 mm is fine, and give it a radius as per your requirement. 5 is fine for me. Select these 2 points and give it a distance. Escape, select this point and this point, make it vertical. Now I am going to use coordinate rectangle and draw a rectangle here. After that, let's give it some height and width. So height will be 170 mm, width will be 55 mm, it will be 55 divided by 2. Select this point and this one. Click on make midpoint, press Ctrl Z, coincident. Now I will draw a rectangle here. Give it 30 mm and 30 mm. Click on mirror entities. Before I do mirror entities, let's draw a circle here inside of it. Escape, escape, a circle. Give it a diameter as per your requirement. In my case 50 mm is fine. Click on mirror entities. Select the entities that you want to be mirrored. In my case this is a rectangle and I want to mirror about this line. Okay, mirror about. For some reason it is not picking it up. So what I can do is I will draw a center line. This is a custom center line. Click on mirror entities. Mirror about this line. See, it's working. After that, click on fillet. I should have add the fillet, earlier. But sometimes my brain works a little bit late. Click OK. Go to the features, click on extrude and select the faces. Notice one thing, that it is not at the center of it. The reason is that after my fillet, the center of the line is moved here. So that is the reason I got the issue. So how should I resolve it? So first let's delete this line and delete the circle as well. Simply draw, you can see the point, so simply draw the circle here. Give it 15 mm. Sometimes these kind of mistakes done. Draw the center line like this. Select this, delete, draw a circle here. 15 mm. Also draw a circle here. Give it a radius as per your requirement. In my case 10 mm is fine. And the distance from here to here is 5 mm. No, 6 mm is fine. And let's, make it bigger, 30 mm. Go to the features, click on extrude. Extrude the area as I'm showing. 10 mm is fine, I guess. Yep, 10 mm is fine. After that, what I will do, I will click on here. First, exit the assembly component mode. Click on design library. Sorry, click on toolbox. Click on edit now. Now, click on NSI metric. Click on power transmission. Click on gears. Select this per gear if you want, or you can make a custom one as per your requirement. So increase the number of teeth, let's say 30. It is quite small. 60. 60 is also small. 80. A little bit okay, but not that. It is fine, I guess. So what I have to do is, before I move forward, click OK. I'm not going to use this gear. I'm just simply copy the sketch. So select this, click on sketch, sketch, and select this and click on convert entities. After that, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl A, and press Ctrl C to copy the sketch and exit the sketch mode. A question comes in your mind: why I am not using this gear? Okay, so I have to modify the gear some bit. So if I use directly this gear and try to do modification, my whole library will be ruined. So I'm not going to use that. Okay. Now I'm going to paste the sketch by pressing Ctrl V. Make sure that you don't try to do any changes at this moment. Extrude it. Click OK. Now you can do it. So while in sketch mode, basically pasting the sketch, never try to do unedit sketch. It will, mess up with the whole thing. Click on extrude cut through all. Click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Now what you have to do, let's see. Select this gear and this thing. Mid. Select this one and this face. Mid. Now select this gear. Click on edit component. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now we'll make a hole here. So how should I make it? Of course, I create a sketch. Draw a circle. 5 is fine for me. 33. Select these 2 points. Click on make horizontal. Click OK. Click on extrude cut. Click on through all. Click OK. So exit it. One more thing I have to do is I have to fix this part. So how can I do that? So I will select the right plane of the part, click on mate, and right plane of the assembly, click OK. After that, I will select the top plane of the part and the top plane of the assembly, click on that, and front plane of the part and the front plane of the assembly, click on that. So now this part is fixed, cannot be moved or rotate, and this is basically what I want. And but this gear can be only rotate. Okay. One more thing that I will do is let's delete this gear because I'm not going to use it. Also delete the sketch. As you can see, it creates some error. Now what I'm going to use is bevel gears. So simply drag and drop. Look like I messed up my gears library. As you can see, modification option doesn't come up. So I must look like big time. Let's see if I can do something. Oh yeah, it's working. So let's make it to 1. And how much number of teeth I want? I think 20 will be fine. The tooth thickness is quite small. So face width, let's increase to 5. Uh, Looks okay to me. And up diameter to 15 mm. Evaluate, measure. So 15 mm. Okay, it should be just 1, not 1.25 or anything else. My bad. I not able to fully edit it. So delete it. So drag the state bevel gear. So module should be 1, number of teeth will be 20, and the mounting distance will be 30. You see that this distance, and if you go upward you can see the number of teeth and here number of teeth. Make sure they are both 20 so that it will be easier for me to mate because both have the same number of teeth. So this one here I can use again and again. So click OK. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Click close. Now what I will do, I will go to the assembly, click on mates, select this face and this face, select this face and this face. Now I need something to support this, so what I can do, I will create a new part. So let's see how I approach this thing. Before I do that, let's grab this part. It's not face, right? Click on move components, move it here, zoom in, click OK, select this thing and click on show, click on mate, select this point. Before I do anything, just rotate it so that they don't combine with each other. Sometimes it's an issue. So select this point and this point, click OK, select this line and this line, click on 90-degree angle, click OK and rotate a bit. Looks good to me. Now what I will do, I will create my new part. So how should I? So what should I do? I will click on insert components, click on new part, and I will select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal speed with the view. Uh, make it big because we can make it correct. Press escape. Okay, where the hell is this point come from? I have no idea. Just merge with this and press Ctrl plus 8 and what should be the diameter? It will be 15 mm. Okay, press Ctrl Z. Before to giving the diameter, let's just define the length. So 100 mm is fine, I guess. 15 mm, 15 mm, 15 mm. Just to know that this 15 mm is diameter. This 15 mm is radius, so it means its diameter is 30 mm. One more thing that I need to add is a hole, like my life, and give it a 10 mm. Extrude how much? 10 mm is fine, I guess. Or make it 5 mm. Click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Click on Mate. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select the part. Select the gears first. Uh, I just want to hide this, profile view, gear view. Now it's good. Select this one. Click on Edit Components. Click on Right Plane. Click on Sketch. So I want to make, something that support this gear. So first exit the sketch mode. First and exit this mode. There is a issue that I found. So what I want that click on view temporary axis. Select this line and this face. Make sure it's parallel. It's a very important thing, else you will face a lot of issues. Click OK. Just to know that I am going to delete these or suppress these. Parallel. OK. Now I will select this part, click right components, and let's see which one. Right plane. Okay. Rectangle I think is best for me. So it will be 30 mm. 0 mm. 25 mm. And make sure no external fuse is checked on, else you will face a lot of issues. And I saw many guys complaining, hey, it's working on your PC but not in mine. So this is the issue. Okay, and I think that's okay. After that, let's add a fillet. Click OK. Now click on extrude. Click on offset. Increase the distance and click on reverse direction. Increase the distance and increase the thickness and distance. Click OK and exit the assembly component mode. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on here. Now I will create a new part. Select this face and 5 mm. Let's make it 12 mm. Select this face, sketch, center rectangle. Horizontal line. 95. 95 divided by 2. 15. 15 divided by 2. 5. 40 mm. I seriously have no idea about these dimensions. I just, throwing a arrow in the dark. This is what I basically am doing right now. Literally have no clue whether I'm right or not. Seriously. 10 mm. Click OK. Select this one. Click on face. 5 mm. Extrude cut. You see that my gears have same gear ratio, so I don't need to change anything. Click OK. There might be chances that they are rotate in opposite direction. That only thing that I need to take care of it. Some reason no mechanism is fixed. Okay, okay, why the mechanism is fixed? Remember that I have made some mates and I said, hey, they are for temporary purposes. Now it's time to remove them. And suppose this one, uh, suppose this one, and this one. Now it's working, I guess. Mm-hmm. It's like this face and this face. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. Let's go back to the top vision. About these gears, I don't think I need them. I simply delete them. A question is why. You say that I can use something called mirror mates or mirror pattern, I guess, mirror components. So this really sorry if you are hearing any dog noises. Can't do anything for that. I am bored. Click OK. Is it working? Look like. Let's try to do animation. Let's click on stance. 720 0 to 10 seconds. Click OK. Let's increase the FPS to 30 for better quality. Let's move this to 10 seconds. Now let's disable this thing. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on calculate. It is calculating, so it will take a little bit more time. Notice it is working right now. It's quite fine. Okay, so let's click on play. Let's try to add some wings here, right? Without wings, it looks like a piracy version that it is. So how should I add wings or make some wings? Uh, let's see, think about it and make it. So click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. So I know that these diameter are 15 mm. Okay, so I will zoom in, make something of 15 mm diameter, extrude. How much? I think 15 mm is fine for me right now. After that, one more thing that I forgot to do. Right click, edit components, make sure it is on mid plane so that when I will use something called mirror command, I will face no issues. And what things is that left? Select this face, click on sketch, and make it 10 mm. By pressing controls at this point, make it coincide. Mm, 7.5, and this one will be 15. Extrude 3 mm is fine for me. Now mirror about this plane, click OK, and I will select this sketch. I will draw simply a rectangle, nothing too crazy I guess. So make it big as per your requirement. 300 mm is fine for me, and I think this one should be 100 mm is fine, and 50 mm is fine for this thing. Click OK and move it forward. Select this line by pressing Ctrl, select this line, make it collinear. Let's click on mid plane. Let's make it 2 mm. Exit this. Mid. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make it parallel. Now to move it on this side, I will simply use the component. So right click on it, click on edit. Just add one more component. This one. Click OK. So let's see in 3D view. Let's click on animate. It will going to take some time because it's quite heavy thing. So let's see the animation. So if I click on play, looks good to me. Let's make it playback loop mode. For example, if I zoom in, you can see the gears are also meshing. Okay, so there are no much issues. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts, inquiries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.